Messy PDFs, slides, spreadsheets, and web files can slow down AI-ready workflows. Markitdown Online converts common file types into clean Markdown for AI. It handles PDF, DOCX, XLSX, PPTX, HTML, CSV, images, audio, JSON, XML, TXT, and more. Conversion uses Microsoft Markitdown server processing with clearly labeled OCR and URL workflows. Markitdown Online is built for LLM prompts, RAG pipelines, search indexing, and knowledge bases. It preserves document structure as it analyzes your upload, converts it, and prepares a Markdown download. You can start without a Python installation and without an account. Sign in for saved results or upgrade to Pro for larger files, 30 file batches. Start converting source files into Markdown for AI workflows with Markitdown Online.